Happy Easter and happy holidays, but there is something very important in the crypto charts that I need to share with you. So if you are a crypto holder of any sort, make sure you watch this video until the end. There's something very powerful, very big happening right now in the crypto charts, and what we can see for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, cryptos are being compressed into this small symmetrical triangle right here, ladies and gentlemen, and we are now approaching the apex. We know that whenever we approach the apex of any of these triangle patterns, that very big moves take place not soon after. Right now, the future market had just opened up and we are seeing a little bit of red in the stock market. Basically, that's what the futures market is. And we are seeing a little bit of red in the crypto market as a result. And what we have been seeing the last several days, cryptos have literally been trading sideways. Look at this. Cryptos have been completely sideways, just holding up this pattern, completely respecting the pattern. And now we are approaching to potentially break outside of this pattern, either to the upside or to the downside. We do not yet know, but there is certainly a possibility of a very big move. And if we continue to watch the charts, to monitor the charts as what I do in the Patreon, what I do in my videos every single day, we're gonna have a very clear direction of where the market is headed. So if you want to understand if your cryptos are gonna be going up or down this week, you need to watch this video and you need to pay attention very clearly to this video, because this video is going to show you the technical analysis that's going to be showing us where cryptos are headed. Now, if you like these quick, short, get to the point, emergency crypto videos, give this video a thumbs up. Please consider doing so, and subscribe if you have not done so already with notifications on, and let me know in the comments below, do you think this is going to be a bullish breakout or a bearish breakout? And if you want to get access to the most profitable crypto trade alerts on the internet, go ahead and join the Patreon. The link will be in my video description or in my top pinned comment, where you can speak to me on the phone and follow all of my exact trades as a day trader and much more. So diving into the crypto market, what we are seeing is the last several days we have been trading sideways. Nothing much has been happening, but we do know that whenever we do trade sideways, that is the signal or the foreshadow of a very big move, because the market is neutral, it is indecisive, and the next move, what happens inside of this pattern, is going to direct and predict where we are most likely headed. So there are two scenarios. Obviously, we're either going to go up or down. That's to keep it very simple. But right now we have been respecting this pattern, and I want to let you know this to keep you all informed. Since we have been in a downtrend for the last 2 weeks or so, we are still in a bearish pattern. Yes, we are in this pattern right here. We are in a symmetrical triangle pattern, but the previous trend was a downtrend. This, of course, could be a reversal, or it could be a continuation of the bearish trend. And we just must be completely realistic. And it's going to be easy for us to know where we're actually going to be headed. So all we have to know is when Bitcoin starts to break outside to the top of this pattern, which is going to be about 40,500, or if it starts to break out, which is going to be about 39,500, that's most likely going to be the direction of the breakout and where the market is going to be headed, at least for the next couple of days. But when this breakout happens, it's not going to be a small move where we just trade sideways like we've been doing previously. Whenever breakouts happen, most of the time, especially in these triangle patterns, we do see significant move, like 10% moves, 15% moves. So we're going to be keeping a close eye on the market, and Bitcoin is holding these resistance and support levels. So in addition to breaking out of this pattern, if we break about 39,200 for Bitcoin, we're going to be seeing a significant correction to the downside. And if Bitcoin breaks out above this pattern right here, which is 41,500, we're going to be seeing a significant breakout to the upside, headed to our next price targets and resistance level. So that's what's happening in the crypto market. We are still in neutral zone, but we are getting very, very close, literally hours away from that next big decisive move, which I will be making a video when this move happens. And I will, before making that video, alert you in the Patreon what is the next move, what I'm going to be personally doing. But remember, nothing in this video is financial advice. It is just my own opinion. And if you've gotten something out of this video so far, please consider giving this video a thumbs up. It's the least you can do, as I make these videos for free. Now, me personally, I am waiting for a bullish move to be taking place here in the market, because if we, of course, do zoom out in the crypto charts, we have been zoomed in right there in the 30-minute and the 1 hour. That is the shorter time frames. On the longer time frames, we are still bullish. But since we have not broken out yet and we're trading sideways, we're waiting for the market to make its next decisive move. And I personally think it's going to be a bullish move. If the bullish move doesn't happen, doesn't mean I'm wrong. It's just what I hoped for and anticipated for does not happen. There is no right or wrong person in this scenario, but what we can understand is when cryptos get pushed in these small patterns, there are breakouts that happen, and that is very, very true. And depending on where it breaks out, it is going to be showing us most likely the next move and where we are headed in the immediate short term. Now, there's still a lot of FUD out there, raising interest rates. There's a lot of fear out there, and that's what's kind of suppressing the price of cryptocurrencies. But if you watched my video yesterday, my previous videos last week, I talk about a lot of bullish things that are happening behind the scenes. So I highly recommend watching those videos because yes, even though the price action is not very bullish, behind the scenes, the market is very bullish. And this year, most likely going to be seeing all-time highs for Bitcoin and for a lot of altcoins and other cryptocurrencies. Let me know if you agree with that, if you think cryptos will hit all-time highs again this year, or if it will be multiple times this year. Let me know if you think that in the comments below. Now, please consider giving this video a thumbs up, share this video with a friend or family member, and if you want to day trade cryptocurrencies tax-free, open up an iTrust Capital account with my link in my video description. And if you want to learn technical analysis when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, join my course. It is 66% off. It's a video course series that teaches you all of my secrets, how to invest, how to trade, everything crypto, in my top pinned comment or video description. That's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for staying and watching to the very end, and I will see you all later.